It's go time, baby. I've got a bunch of wood and I'm lining it up just like this and placing 3 for support right in the middle. Next, I have some glue. You can go ahead and add some right to the back like this, and I'm smearing it with a foam brush just like that. That'll do the trick perfectly. And then you can press it right back into its place. And now I added some glue to these also, and I'm just pushing down. I added some screws now for extra support, and once you have that done, you can flip this over, and I picked a really nice golden pecan stain for this, so I'm using a towel to just smear that over the entire thing. Really makes it look so much better, and don't forget about the sides. This is a whiskey barrel planter that I have and a really big piece of wood. Stick that in the center, and now I am adding some water because we are getting ready to put 2 bags of fast setting concrete right inside there. This sets super quick. I'm Italian, so concrete is in my blood. Once you add it in, you don't have to go super crazy with mixing. I just try to make sure it's evenly distributed. Now I'm getting another stain. This one is a classic black, and I am dunking in my towel and then just wiping this all on that wooden pole that I put right in the center. This looks so much better now. And now we're ready to wrap this up. I am hanging that right at the top with a gigantic screw. Make sure this is fastened really well. You don't want it moving around. And now this is a little chalkboard that I got from Walmart with a little soap tray. And I'm using some Weld Bond to just stick that right to the chalkboard right at the end. Now I have some paint and some extra wood, and this detail here is really gonna send it over the line. I can't wait to show you. Next, you can grab your chalkboard, and I have my nail gun that I'm using to just get that right on there. And this little wooden cup, I'm doing the same thing. We're making this look really pretty by adding some potting mix right on top of that set concrete. Just make sure that everything is smoothed out and nice and flat. And then just pick up your favorite flowers. These are from Lowe's. I'm doing all yellow and orange for this. I just feel like that's gonna pop. They really look so good. And now last step here, I'm just drilling in my hardware, adding some darts to the little cup and some chalk to the soap tray. Here's my dartboard. I'm adding this right to the center of that wooden piece that I created. Next, getting some command strips. I absolutely love these. And now that will hold together the part that I'm most excited about here. Pinch that on. I'm adding the last piece right here. You can already see this is gonna get fun. And now check this out. Get a bullseye, get a beer. This was definitely needed. I mean, come on. And now these are on command strips because if you have kids over, you can take this off and add a different prize. My fiance doesn't know this, but I used to play darts every day, which is why I made this, because I need to show off my skills and drink all our beer. So here comes the cooler. Got some Yingling, and now it's time for the face-off. We'll get those darts. Here's my little chalk tray. All right, game on.
All right.
I'm red, just so you know what the winner color will be. And if you're really bad at this, you're not allowed to play at my house because this will go right into the side of my house, and that is an automatic party foul.
Woo!
I didn't even get to go yet.
I know, that's what happens when you're dealing with the kid. Let's go. Woo! Classic American lager.